I'll be unboxing this new cable that I just bought, Mcdodo from China. I bought it because it's braided and it has a long neck, okay, and it has the function of auto off, and also the it has a data transferring capabilities. These are the specs. Focus. All right. So what you got in the box is this. Okay, it comes with the owner manual. Oops, sorry. User manual and the cable. Made from fairly good qualities. Apparently it's tested to 10,000 times of bending, so hopefully it can last a bit longer. As you can see, the long neck, and he has a LED, 3 LED colors here: orange for charging, okay, green for complete. All right, and then I think that's white, I think. Okay, comes with a cable tie, quite high quality, kind of like it. All right, that's all for today. Thank you.